Raman Malik, we put that Punjab element in the story that we showed because one pastor has been booked today after a charge was made against him by a victim. And while the case is not, the FIR is not connected with conversions, but the pastor is notorious for carrying out conversions in Punjab. It's a serious problem there. So that's why we have you here, Raman Malik. You think Vivek Srivastava is sort of, because remember, it's in the case of Punjab, it's not even about Hinduism. The conversions are happening from Sikhism. So is he saying, Vivek Srivastava, that Sikhism is not egalitarian? Raman Malik?
One, I find it very laughable that a person with minimalistic intellect is on your show.
No personal comments. No personal comments.
No. It's a proven fact on your television. Every time he comes up, he ogles out
counter him facts, on intellect. Counter him on facts. Counter him on arguments.
Okay, Abhishek, I have some quick points. I have some 7-9 quick points which I want to go one by one.
Please do.
Number one, this country today has got about 66 crore plus certified communals as per what Mr. Vivek Srivastava's mindset is. Because we had 66 crore people taking dip in the holy तो वो तो 66 करोड़ communal हो गए ना इनके हिसाब से. दूसरी चीज, Mr. Nehru, none less than Mr. Nehru had said, and there's archives in the new DD, Mr. Srivastava, if he has some intellect, can go over there, research about it. He categorically said that proselytization, the word proselytization means forceful conversion. Proselytization is a tool used by the Abrahamic religion, primarily Muslims and Christian. That word, Mr. Nehru's word, not my word. So he can go and find it out. You know, अब इन्होंने बोला कि ये क्राइस्ट वगैरह के बारे में कुछ क्रिश्चियनिटी के बारे में बोल रहे थे. But you forgot that Christianity, the old religions of the Vikings and other, they called it pagans. And they did not respect it. So I do not know why you have so much of respect for them. Conversion, if you're doing conversion, and if you're not happy with the religion that you were born in, you must have some understanding and some knowledge of that religion and its texts where you have a problem with. I do not find this a good example that just by an affidavit you can change your religion in which you were born in, because you should give, and you must have studied that religion well to understand what is wrong in it. But you do not. At the same time, you convert your religion, but you don't change your name. So, and Ashok, how can Ashok be a Christian? How can Ashok be a Christian? Or for that matter, how was YSR Reddy a practicing Christian? And the feud between YSR Reddy and Sonia Gandhi was well known, and what money transfer and what happened, they were all just saying. You must also, Abhishek, and for the knowledge of your people, the viewers seeing, they must study the judgment given by Justice A.H. Ahmadi late in 90s, and after which his son got an ample land in Palampur and Dharamsala belt of tea estate. Tea estates were not transferable that time, but the Congress government did transfer that. Another thing, Project Joshua. Please search, all viewers, please search Project Joshua 10/40, and you will come to know that every person and every community in every city is enmarked. इसमें कौन सा ब्राह्मण कितना है, कौन सा क्षत्रिय कितना है, कौन सा जाट कितना है, कौन सा मुस्लिम कितना है, कौन सा सिख कितना है. Why is that detailing done? So that, plus you must not forget that this protection of these Abrahamic religion who used these tools, as narrated by Mr. Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, on record, on Doordarshan, had very categorically said that these are tools to change demography and politics of the country.